Hello friends, welcome back to your channel Amit Digital. Today I am here with another solution. This video is for those who have purchased a different email package from Godaddy by mistake. Now want to delete it and get the refund and purchase the correct one. So let's see how you can fix this step by step. My friend was trying to create an email in Godaddy, but it was not working. He had already purchased an email under a different package. See, a domain not in my Godaddy account. You cannot mix with other type of email on the same domain. These domains are already associated with the following type of email account. Means if you have professional email, then you can include with this package, otherwise you need to delete and purchase correct one. Let's check the email first. Go to my product and check the email. Old email was in professional emails and you have purchased new email in Titan email account. Both are different packages. So click on renewal and billing, then click on manage subscription. Then scroll down. Then click on new email. Then there is two options, edit plan or delete. First click on edit plan. Maybe we can change the option from here. There are limited options, you can upgrade your plan from here. But we need to delete this. We don't want to upgrade. Just close this and click on delete button. After click on delete button, then check this option and click on send email. After click on this, you will get an email from Godaddy. Now check your email and acknowledge the email to delete the product from Godaddy account. Now you can see the email has been deleted from here. Zero account available. Now you can purchase new email. First we also need to check did we get the refund or not. Just click on my profile, then payment method. Now you can see we have in store credit 552 rupees. Now we can purchase new email in the same package. Click on buy more, then click on select. After click on complete purchase, a new email will be added in your package. Now you can create email according to you. Choose the domain, then enter the detail here. Whatever email you want to create, then first name, last name. In account permission, choose the first option. The email is for me. Connect to my Godaddy account. You can enter your password here. After that, just click on create button. Now you can see your email has been created here. So that's how we fix the issue. My friend had purchased the wrong email package. Just a few simple steps. We deleted the old one and got the refund and purchased the correct email for his domain. Godaddy's support and system worked really well. Thanks Godaddy. If you found this video helpful, please like, share the video and subscribe the channel for more informative videos about digital marketing and all. Thank you.